Nani karibialo, catching honey party dio, little sing sound not toy,
The Nightingale of the Hills, Shrimati Pokhila Lekthepi, Padma Shri 2026. Karbi Anglong, a quaint village in Assam, home to the Karbis and Pokhila Lekthepi. Born to traveling theatre artists, young Pokhila didn't just inherit Karbi music, she resonated with it. From an early age, she began to show prodigious talent. Obsessed with this form of music, she soon realized that her heritage was in peril. Karbi music lived only in the breath of elders, unrecorded and slipping away.
Those days, Karbi songs existed, but people didn't get the opportunity.
The hurdles were steep, poverty was a constant shadow, and tradition forbade women from the public stage. For years, Pokhila remained in the background, a silent guardian of a dying art. But a voice like hers cannot be contained. Breaking free, she found her stage in the church, gathering like-minded souls and emboldening other women to join her. She traveled miles through hostile terrain, meeting elders and documenting the fading art form.
You write the lyrics, set them to a tune. We will provide whatever help possible. And through our Sangri Music Society, we'll be able to bring these songs to life.
From local AIR broadcasts to the defined production of her first cassette, Kanghon, she began to weave the Karbi soul back into the national fabric. The turning point came through a collaboration with Zubeen Garg, infusing ancient chants with modern energy to capture the hearts of a new generation. "50 years, 300 songs." She has brought Karbi music out of the hills into people's hearts. Today, Pokhila remains the matriarch of Karbi music, writing, mentoring, performing, and ensuring that while she preserves the past, women of Karbi Anglong are empowered to sing their own future.
Hope our Karbi Anglong prospers further. The women of Karbi Anglong should also excel in any field. This is my dream.
Shrimati Pokhila Lekthepi, Padma Shri 2026. Our Koti Koti Namaskar.